This video will give an overview of the Honeywell BW Microdock II calibration and bump test station. So when I received this, you get a power supply that plugs in. It's actually marked nicely on here for power. There's also, it can be run off the AC power supply, or you can actually put in C-cell batteries that are included, and it can run off the batteries. There's an SD card here to record bumps and calibrations. And to turn it on, actually I'll talk about the tubes a bit more. So included are a tube with a filter here for the inlet, like purging for clean air basically. Port 2, I've got, on this case, I've got SO2 10 ppm hooked up to it with the demand flow regulator. And it actually comes with two lengths of this tubing, so you could add a second gas to it if you'd like. So to turn it on, you just hold down this button. It boots up. I didn't really have to make a lot of changes. I went into the menu, and the first option is time and date. Let's go into this a bit more. So I can select the time and date, and I can keep selecting to move it across. So it's the month, day, year, and the time. And it does the days by a number, Monday being number 1. This is Friday, so it's 5. I can exit out of this. The only other thing I changed was the inlet setup. If I go to select, the first inlet is set to purge like 20.9 clean air. If I click it again, I had to set this to SO2. It was a bit confusing when I was trying to figure out how to change the value because it defaulted to 25. But if you go and you arrow down and go into select, you can actually change that. So I've got it set correctly. Other than that, exit out of here. It's pretty much ready to use. So the next step, I'm going to get it's set up for the Gas Alert Extreme SO2 monitor, so I'll get one of those and do a bump and calibration.